Hi, my name is Ashish, and welcome to the next video. In this video, we will publish a knowledge base. Now that we have created a Q&A knowledge base, it's time to publish so that you can access it from the client application. Let me just log on to the portal and take it from there. I am onto the Q&A Maker knowledge base page, and here's the test. Click on Publish. Uh, okay, click on Publish. It says create a bot, view all your bots, use the below HTTP request to call your knowledge base. Need to fine tune and refine, go back and keep editing your service anytime. So you can use a curl request or you can use a postman request here. It says it indicates that your KB will move from test to production. Okay. And after a short time, you have got the message. And here you go. This is how you publish your bot. Now, I'll see in the next video wherein we will integrate a Q&A with a bot.